Hello, and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a spycam book. For this project you will need an old hard-covered book that is reasonably thick, an FPV drone camera, and a battery. Start by cutting a square out of the middle of the book by cutting each page. Then drill a hole for the camera, and install the camera. Turn the camera on and you will be able to connect to it through Wi-Fi. That is how you do it in short. If you want you can watch me do it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.